The Uni-T Ut682 series presents itself as a dedicated and versatile instrument for professionals managing various cabling infrastructures. Engineered as a comprehensive wire tracker and tester, its primary purpose is to simplify the identification and verification of communication lines across diverse environments. At its core, the Ut682 functions as an effective line finder, utilizing a toner and probe system to accurately trace wires through complex installations. This dual-component approach allows for precise identification of specific cables within bundles or concealed pathways. Beyond simple tracing, it serves as a robust tester for multiple cable types, including traditional telephone lines, network cables, Ethernet connections, and general LAN setups. This capability extends to functioning as a calibration detector, indicating proper connectivity and helping to identify potential issues within these critical communication pathways. For IT technicians, network administrators, or telecommunications specialists, this device proves invaluable in a range of scenarios. It is well suited for troubleshooting connectivity issues in an office environment, verifying the integrity of new cable installations, or efficiently locating a specific wire within a crowded server rack or junction box. Its ability to detect and assess across different cable standards makes it a versatile asset for maintaining operational efficiency in diverse professional settings. The designation Ut682 series implies a product line designed with professional standards and reliability in mind, suggesting consistent performance and durability for frequent use. The integrated toner and probe system points to a practical, two-part operational design engineered for effective and straightforward line tracing. Its comprehensive testing functions consolidate multiple tools into a single, manageable unit, streamlining workflow for technicians in the field. In conclusion, the Uni-T Ut682 series stands out as a practical and essential instrument for anyone regularly managing, installing, or troubleshooting communication cabling. Its combination of wire tracking, line finding, and comprehensive testing capabilities for telephone, network, and Ethernet lines positions it as a reliable tool for maintaining efficient and functional network infrastructures.